Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz March 6 in Xenia wallet. Click on missions, click on daily quiz. Now click start quiz. Here you see March 6 a question and total 4 options, in which one option is the correct option and I will provide you the correct option. Option number 4 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct option and 1000 extra gems for a successful complete 1 week straight all answers correctly. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.